back to my channel, and today I have selected a very interesting topic, and the chapter name of chapter is necklace, and that is chapter number 7 of English literature of class 10. Necklace is a chapter story that is written by a French author, and actually this story gives a message to all of us that we can learn that sometimes when you will indulge in the practice of in depth, if you borrows money from lenders, you are borrows money from market or anywhere else, and you indulge in such a condition where your life is deteriorating day by day, and this story gives such type of message, you know. So Matilda, this is the story of Matilda that we will discuss. Instead of talking to summary of this story, I think it would be better that we will discuss one by one NCERT question answer, so that you will able to learn the summary of entire story, right? तो चलिए गाइस शुरू करते हैं एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन आंसर, और चैप्टर का नाम है नेकलेस, और इंग्लिश क्लास 10 चैप्टर नंबर 7. So the first question is, what kind of person is Ma'am Lawsell? Why is she always unhappy? As far as Ma'am Lawsell is concerned, Ma'am Lawsell is a pretty young lady, and she is very beautiful to look at. She is a very charming lady, but she is not satisfied with her present life because she is married with a clerk who is working in a board of education department, and Matilda also born in a simple family, and but she always thinks for elegant luxurious life. She always thinks for these comforts, and that is why she always shows the discontentment from her present life. So it is the basic problem with the Matilda, that she is not satisfied with her life, because when she looks the shabby walls, the worn chair, and these poverty stricken tortured her and angered her, and that is why she is not satisfied with her present life scenario. So it is the character of Matilda. And what kind of person is her husband? As far as her husband is concerned, Mr. Lawsell, who is a very jolly kind of man, and this man, Mr. Lawsell, is quite happy with his present life, and he is enjoying, even though his income is limited. He is a simple clerk working in Board of Education department, but he is enjoying everyday life. Whenever he is taking dinner at night, so he always is very excited when he opened the tureen, and he used to say, "What a pot pie!" Pot pie is a kind of dish that is made of mutton and vegetable mix up. It's a French dish. So Mr. Lawsell is enjoying the dish. So Mr. Lawsell is very happy with his present life, but his wife Matilda is not happy. So this is the situation of Mr. Lawsell and Matilda. So the next question is, what fresh problem now disturb Ma'am Lawsell? What happened actually? Mr. Lawsell received an invitation from ministers, and there is a party which is going to held, a grand party, and from Minister of Instruction to the Labour Department, and that minister has invited to all of the official people, and Mr. Lawsell hand over this invitation to his wife, and he requested her, but Matilda was not ready. She told, "What do you think, that I will go to attend the party?" "No, I will not go, because I have no costly costume, because that party rich people will come, and what the people will think about me, because my dress is very ordinary. I have no costly costume, I have no ornament to adorn myself." So it is the problem with Matilda, that she is incessantly suffering from the grievances and discontentment, and that is why she is not ready to attend the party. So now the next question is, how is the problem solved? Now Mr. Lawson, first of all, he told his wife that, okay, if you want to attend the party, you adorn yourself with the flower. You are very beautiful. Once you will apply the flower in your hair, you look very beautiful. But Matilda looked at her husband, and her husband is standing like a stupid person. Stupefied expression is there. Because once everybody is, if his wife is shouting and his income is not very much, so he is feeling very, very upset, embarrassing conditions. But okay, he told, okay, we will purchase a new costume. What would be the cost of that costume? And first of all, she is silent. Later on, she disclosed, okay, around 400 francs. I think it would be the cost of suitable costume that we can attend the party. So Mr. Losell had kept the money from his parents, which he got, and actually he had planned to buy a gun. But he said, okay, we'll purchase the costume. So the next problem was, after some time, Matilda was not happy. As the day of ball was coming, Matilda's face was become serious. So Mr. Losell asked, what is the reason why you are so sad about that? So she told, I have no ornament to adorn myself. Okay, I have costume, but I have no ornaments. So I will not going to attend the party. So this is the problem. How is the problem solved? So now Mr. Losell is telling to his wife, okay, you do one thing, you have your friend, and actually Matilda had one classmate actually, and the name of her classmate is Ma'am Forestier. Ma'am Forestier is a very rich lady, and when Matilda goes to her friend's house, residence, Ma'am Forestier's house, and the moment she returned back, she becomes very, very frustrated. Because once a medium class people will visit to the rich family, and when will return back, he will suffering from continue the inferiority complex, and that is why Matilda is suffering from inferiority complex. Because both are friends, both have read with the same, they were classmates, but as far as Ma'am Forestier is concerned, she is a rich lady, but Matilda is a very ordinary person, and that is why she is not satisfied with her life, and especially she does not want to visit to her friend, because whenever she goes to her friends and return back, she becomes very, very disappointed, and she becomes very, very serious, grieviness, and that is why she is disappointing. But when Mr. Losell advised that, okay, you go to your friend and take some ornaments, and after some times Matilda is also ready, okay, we'll go and we'll take some ornaments from our friend. So this is the right answer, how the problem is solved. So now the next question is, how the course of Losell's life changed due to necklace. Commentary. This is very, very important question. Let me tell you how the course of Losell's life changed due to necklace. Matilda takes the ornament, and actually it was superb diamond necklace, and she adorned herself. She attended the party. Both husband and wife attended the party, and Matilda danced in that party. Everybody was looking to Matilda. People wanted to give gift to Matilda. Say they were want to talk to Matilda. Matilda was very happy that I am the most beautiful lady in this party. Everybody is watching me. So they enjoy whole night, and her husband, Mr. Losell, was sitting in the salon with other colleagues, who was half asleep. He was not dancing. And after that they returned from the party. Matilda wanted to return back immediately, because she does not want to show her poverty striking look inside her garment, and that is why she wanted to immediately leave that place. And when they leave the place, and in the way when they return, they reach to the at home, and she realized that necklace has been lost. When she was changing her, because when at residence, she decided to look at the final view in front of mirror, and when she looked in the mirror, she became shocked because the necklace was lost. So she was very, very disappointed. She was very upset. She immediately told her husband, and her husband also checked the necklace, the her clothes, and they returned back in the same way. On the way, they also searched. In the cab also they searched. They informed to the police. They informed to the also reward for anybody who finds the necklace. So like that they apply all the method, but they did not get the necklace. And what happened, since they had to return necklace to Ma'am Forestier, so they decided to replace the necklace. So what Mr. Lossell do? He went to market and he looked the similar resembling necklace, identical necklace, which was costing 18,000 francs. And the actual price of that identical necklace was 36,000 francs, and he had only 18,000 francs. He managed somehow from taking money, and later on he paid and take it. But meanwhile, what happened? He had to suffer a lot. It took 10 years to pay back that frightful debt. And what happened? So the next question is, what was the cause of Matilda ruin? How could she have avoided it? The basic cause of Matilda ruin was false pride. Sometimes what happened? We are living in a false, imaginary, illusion condition. And false pride is the main reason that Matilda is ruined. And she could have been, if she wanted, she could avoid it. If she attended the party in a simple dress, ordinary dress, if she adorned herself with a flower or whatever dress she had, this condition could not be arise. But now she is in the frightful debt, and that is why her entire life has been ruined or changed. What would have happened to Matilda if she had confessed her friend that she had lost her necklace? If Matilda confessed her friend to Ma'am Forestier that I have lost your necklace, might it be possible that her friend Ma'am Forestier would say that okay, it's all right, that necklace was costing hardly some francs, so it was no any significant of that necklace? Might be possible. But since Matilda did not tell the truth, she did not confess that necklace had been lost, and that is why now she has ceased in such a condition where the condition is very, very pathetic. They have to change their apartment, they have to remove their maids, and Matilda is suffering from a lot. She has to work the odious work of kitchen, she has to carrying water from bucket, she has to do the purchasing, she has to do the hagglings from the last shoe, and she is suffering a lot. On the other hand, her husband is working part-time job, she is working also at night. So how you see that their life has been completely changed. They were in the comfortable job, but now they are living in a slum area, so their overall condition is not very good. If you were caught in such a situation, how would you deal with it? If we will caught in such a situation, we will disclose it, we will confess, nothing bad in it. First of all, we will try that we should avoid such a condition, because debt is a very bad thing. We should not borrow money, and that is why we can avoid such condition by not borrowing money. Whatever capacity, according to our capacity, according to our capital, we should work, and we should not show any false pride. The characters' stories in this chapter is speaks in English. Do you think this is the language? Actually, this is a French. The author is also French, and many French. There are a lot of evidence which shows that the story is from France, because francs is the money of France, and nightcap is also from France. There are a lot of also name which mention that story from French. So actually the story has been written in French and later on developed converted into English. Honesty is the best policy, that we know. Honesty is the best policy. We should be honest. If you are honest, then your everything will be honest, and you will never stuck in such a condition when, as Matilda has already stuck, where her entire life has been ruined. What should be content with what life gives us? What life given by God? The life we got, that is, it is given by God. But how we spend life, it depends upon ourselves. The personality is given by God, the money is given by God, the condition we taken the birth in the family, that is, it is the decision of God. But how we spend our life, what to do, how to implement, what in future we have to do, this is our own decision. Instead of taking depth, instead of taking showing false pride, we should live in a very simple manner, in a very contentment life, and we should satisfy whatever life. If we want to become rich, then we should work hard, we should adopt a very ethical way to change our career. And I think this story gives such a wonderful message to all of us. Thank you very much to all of you. Please like and subscribe. It will motivate us. Then again I will come with the new story. Thank you very much.